Do you know? Artificial intelligence has taken the internet by the storm. ChatGPT AI chatbot is the fastest growing consumer software application in the history, gaining over 200 million monthly users, and reportedly gaining over $30 billion valuation in 2023, an estimated $1.3 trillion valuation by 2032. And businesses across the globe are using it to attract maximum customers and boost their business growth. So if you're willing to make it big in the digital marketing universe, then artificial intelligence and ChatGPT AI chatbot is something that can't be taken for granted and ignored. Here are some mind-blowing stats which shows potential of ChatGPT. Number 1. ChatGPT generates 1.8 billion monthly visits worldwide, and users typically spend 5 minutes and 21 seconds on ChatGPT website. Number 2. ChatGPT handles approximately 10 million user queries daily. Number 3. ChatGPT generated around $200 million revenue in 2023 and will be around $1 billion by 2024. Number 4. 23% of customer service companies are currently using ChatGPT AI chatbot. Number 5. 80% of people have interacted with a ChatGPT-like chatbot at some point. Number 6. 67% of global consumers had an interaction with a ChatGPT-like AI chatbot over the last 12 months. Number 7. 87% of consumers have neutral or positive experiences with ChatGPT chatbot. So if you're looking to benefit from this huge opportunity without doing any grunt work yourself and tap into $30 billion industry, I've got some great news for you today. Introducing ChatPal AI, world's first revolutionary AI tech that lets you launch your own ChatGPT-like AI chatbots in under 60 seconds without any coding skill or monthly fee, and charge people for using it and sell your own ChatGPT for huge profits. With this in your marketing arsenal, you get the best results for your business by having your personal AI chatbot and save your time and effort in giving unmatched customer experience. Ultimately, it improves the overall user experience and allows maximum audience to get hooked to your offers like bees to honey. Here are some of its amazing features of ChatPal AI. First to universe technology to launch ChatGPT-like AI chatbot that are 10x powerful than ChatGPT. Create your own ChatGPT-like chatbots by investing 2x less time and efforts. Sell your own ChatGPT for huge profits. Use built-in AI chatbot to give unmatched customer experience with zero upfront cost. Automatically generate profitable marketing ad copies for any offer in any niche in 3 clicks. Create 100% fresh, attention-grabbing AI images, graphics, etc., and get 100x more visibility for your offers. Instantly create profitable social media posts for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. in just 3 clicks. Create profit-boosting email swipes without any third-party dependency. Create 100% SEO-friendly content for thousands of niches without wasting time or writing a single word yourself. Create profitable YouTube channel content in under 60 seconds. Smartly generate Google, Facebook, and Quora ads copy in no time. Smoothly convert any text into fresh and mesmerizing music tracks like a pro. Convert any music or voice into attention-grabbing marketing content. Generate high-quality program code in just 60 seconds. Free SSL included to get 100% unmatched security. Convert AI chatbot conversation into PDF format in 1 click. Get 50+ extra premium AI features that leave your customers spellbound. Easy-to-use software with step-by-step video training. Limited time commercial license included to provide high-end demand services to hungry clients, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Here's everything that ChatPal AI creates in a matter of seconds. Profitable marketing ad copies, attention-grabbing AI images, mind-blowing visual graphics, stunning social media posts, Google, Facebook, and Quora ad copies, 100% inbox-friendly email swipes, audience-friendly YouTube channels content, and much more. Now I'm sure all those benefits would have left you amazed. You are just 3 simple steps away from launching your own ChatGPT like an AI chatbot. Number 1. Log into ChatPal AI. Number 2. Launch your very own ChatGPT-like AI chatbot. Number 3. Sell your own ChatGPT for huge profits. And the best part? Once you have ChatPal AI, no monthly fee, no tech skills, no past experience, no coding skills required. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry. Once this special time period gets over, ChatPal AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab ChatPal AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.